Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 2002 Buell Cyclone. I was told it's a Cyclone. I gotta check the title work to clarify that. Clear Wisconsin title, signed off, no liens. Everything is here except for the engine. We've got the wheel, the shock, the exhaust. Here's the headlight. Dash panel, air cleaner, and Dad was doing some like cleaned up caliper, had powder cleaner or something, and like, got a new CDI, some other electronic parts, rear axle, hoses, forks look good, handlebars look straight, some of the rear body work. I'll have to go through it and see what we do and don't have. If you've got a Buell with one of those outer rim brake rotors that heats up the tire and you want to put a traditional rotor kit on, maybe this will fit so your bike doesn't heat the wheels up so bad. As we pull this apart, we'll get it listed, and if we find out more, let us know what you need for your Buell. Black plastic and tank. Should be good stuff. Check our eBay site. Subscribe if you want to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks for shopping.